Sometimes, a plain language search isn't quite enough. You know exactly what you're looking for, and you want to spell it out. Maybe it's every file with invoice or receipt in the name. Maybe it's PDFs updated after a certain date. That's where filters come in. From Advanced Search, choose Filters to further refine your search results. In the Filter pop-up, open the Criteria dropdown to select which file attribute to filter by. Select File Name as your filter criterion to focus on files by their names. You can filter your files by file name, date updated, type, size, storage class, project, category, and description. Choose an operator such as contains to set the type of match for your file name search. Pick Contains to filter for files whose names include a specific keyword or phrase. Enter the file name or keyword you want to search for in the Enter File Name field. Select Apply Filters to show only files whose names match your search criteria. Access Advanced Search again to add or adjust search filters. Click Filters to customize your file search with more filters. Use Add Filter to introduce another filter condition for a more targeted search. Advanced Search also supports complex searches using and or. Furthermore, you can add and or within your more detailed searches. This is quite helpful in large buckets with mixed media. Apply filters to display only files matching both the name and date conditions. Advanced search filters let you build a precise query in a few clicks. Pick what to match on, choose how to match it, and combine conditions until the results are exactly what you need. A live preview shows your query in plain English as you build, so there's no guessing what the search will return. Remove all filters to return to the complete file list. That's Advanced Search Filters in action, precise, visual, and easy to adjust on the fly. Whether you're tracking down a specific file type, narrowing by date, or combining multiple conditions, filters give you a clear way to build the exact search you need and see the results in seconds. Try it out the next time you're hunting for something specific in your buckets. You'll be surprised how quickly the right files surface.